Hi, my name's Morgan, and I'm here to talk to you about the Harmony XL Pro with Dr. Roth.
Hi, I'm Dr. Roth of Clovis Laser Center, and thank you again, Morgan, for providing this time.
Yeah, of course. So, if you were to tell me about the Harmony, what are some of the main things that we're going to treat with it?
Well, the Harmony it's a platform that can treat multiple problems. We can treat as many as 70 different disorders. It's FDA approved for that many conditions. So it treats color, treats tone, texture, and helps to tighten the skin as well.
Okay, all of those sound like really great things. How does that work? Are there different modalities? Can you
Uh,
do different treatments with it?
yes, this device has a multitude of handpieces. There's one here, which is what's called our erbium handpiece. And we have other handpieces that are a intense pulse light. We call that the DiVL. And we have another one called the Clear Lift. And the Clear Lift is an amazing handpiece that has many applications. And that includes tattoos. We can use it for tattoo removal.
Okay, and who would the Clear Lip be great for? Like, what are a few of the different things you can do with that?
The Clear Lift is a wonderful device for one of our most difficult problems, and that being melasma. So it is a device that bypasses the skin. And by doing that, we avoid any kind of surface damage to the skin, and everything is below. So by doing that, we can target pigment, which is melasma, below the skin. We can target sun damage. We can target tattoos as well. And tattoos are pigment that is deep in the dermal level of the skin.
Okay, and what about skin tightening or collagen formation? Can it do anything with that?
Yes, it absolutely can. The Clear Lift creates damage in the deeper levels of the skin, and thereby it helps to improve collagen and elastin and tighten those deeper levels of skin.
Okay, and then how does the DiVL compare to IPL or BBL? Like, what is the difference?
Well, BVL, IPL are older systems. The DiVL, I like to think of it as our fourth or fifth generation of intense pulse light systems. It is just a much more effective system for the same uses that you would think of with an IPL.
Okay, and does it have a filter or anything like that? Is it a pigment hunter?
Uh, well, it definitely pigment hunter. That's an interesting term. It is wonderful for pigment being brown, and wonderful as well for red, which are blood vessels, and rosacea, that reddish hue that people get on their cheeks in particular.
Wow, it sounds like you can do a ton of different things with this system. If you were to describe the downtime with it, what would you usually see with that, depending on what you were treating?
Uh, Clear Lift is great. It can be a lunchtime procedure because there's no downtime. It just feels like a little bit of warmth, and patients are completely comfortable with it. The DiVL is like an IPL, so it can be adjusted. You can do it very surface. It's a newer device that allows what we call in motion. So that DiVL being in motion, we can treat an area, and you don't get track marks. You don't get red, angry areas. It's a much smoother result. If you do that procedure aggressive, it's going to be a few days of swelling and some irritation, which can actually be a touch of scabbing, but usually very mild. The erbium device is a resurfacing device, and that device can be titrated to just a gentle peel, or you can do an extremely deep peel. And the deep peels, that resurfacing, you can have downtime of 5 to 7 days. That procedure can be very good for deep lines, scars, acne, disorders that you better have an aggressive treatment.
Okay, and is there anything that you offer here to cut down on the downtime or make it a little better?
Yes. We have various skincare products that tremendously help with healing, as well as enhancing the comfort of any procedure.
Okay, so it really is a combination therapy to get you to those best results.
Absolutely. If you want the optimal results, we have to address each of the targets that individual is looking to address.
Okay, and could I do multiple of these hand pieces at a time or these treatments at a time if I wanted to do DBL or clear lift or erbium? How does that work?
Um, Treatments that we combine the different hand pieces or devices for that matter are optimal. You do it all in one sitting. If there's downtime, one downtime, and it can address different levels, whether it be deep in the skin, deep underneath the surface, or very superficial.
Okay, and who would be a good candidate for these treatments?
Anybody's a good candidate. We all have things that we're looking to improve, as we may characterize imperfections. So the youngest individual in their 20s, sometimes if there's acne we're addressing, it'd be a teenager, and all the way up to any age.
All right, well, I will definitely have to come in for a consultation. If I wanted to come in for a complimentary custom consultation, who would I call?
Well, you would call Clovis Laser Center at 559-299-3841.